What's up, guys? It's your favorite Hellhound, Cerberus has it gone. And today we are reviewing a Combiner Titan class of 5 guys. We have done these 2 guys. I'm leaving this guy as his leg form. So, because this guy's the last guy that I'm doing until the big, full combined form. We've done these 2 guys and these 2 guys. All of the main body parts. This guy is the leader, the biggest, and the main part. So he was last. Anyway, let's get to it. Okay, so he has so his posability is up, all the way down, bang, bang. It's kind of limited, and then he can also do that, same like that. And then also he has a swivel right here and a up and down right there. And so first we're gonna want to do, So now let's head into the robot form. So what you're gonna want to do first is put him like this and spin him like a record. And once you get to the back, stop, up, all the way down. Just kidding. Back up like this. And what you're gonna want to do next, again, spin it right round, baby, right round like a record till you reach the front again. Then you're gonna want to try and separate it from here specifically. Dang it! Try and separate it from this side because this is where the fist is supposed to go. You're gonna wanna do this. Boom, bang, boom, bang. Boom. Bang. Sorry. How did I just not have it? Oh yeah, like this. But wait. Bang, bang. Anyway, whatever. You're gonna wanna have it like this. Bang. Like this. And, well, yeah, you're going to want to set these aside, except, unfold that, and you're just going to want to set it aside for now. Right? Keep that raised up, and you can leave this like this. Now, what you're going to want to do next is come to here. Actually, I should start it with this. You're going to fold this, and then you're going to fold this off, tear it off, essentially. And then you can do, so then you have something like this, and you want to snap it back in. I'll reveal the head once the rest of his body's fully transformed. Anyway, next, you're gonna want to take to here, right here, boom, take the foot, full extend, make sure that this is all folded off. Turn this like that. Same with other side. See, like so. It's kind of hard to position him. His joints right here aren't very strong. I'm pretty sure I don't think you're supposed to. There isn't a plug in anywhere. I don't know why they don't have it like that, but it's just like that. Okay. Anyway, now time to reveal his face. Oh, crap. Let me try and get it straight. That's his face. It's kind of strange. Anyway, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it in right now, but I will. Head back. I'm gonna stop this right here, and I'm gonna real quickly transform the rest of my guys into their leg, arm form, so then I can get them prepared. So then I can get them to combine onto this guy. This is the last guy I have, and I will show off how to transform him into his chest once in the next video. Okay. So this is Cerberus has a gun. Signing off. Oh, sorry. hoping to see you, lovely little, lovely people, in the next video. Bye.